How to fix MBI Live no sound problem. If you have this issue, guys, today we learn how to solve it easy and quick. Let's learn how to do that. Come first, open your settings of your mobile phone. Open here your apps option, search for MBI Live and open it. Here you will find this page of options. You have to come to permission. You have to give permission to if you found any permission, you have to give them permission. Go back right now to storage. Click clear cache only, be careful, and then back, click force stop. Click now OK, go to Play Store, update your MBA. If it is not updated, restart your phone, and that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and